Hello students, the given question is from test series 3, subject analog from the chapter operational amplifier and its application. It is of 2 marks question. Here we need to find out the Ix and Vy value for the given circuit. This is the given circuit. It is an ideal op amp. This positive terminal it is connected with one 6 volt Zener diode and 5 kilo ohms of resistance. It is connected with supply of 15 volts and negative terminal is connected to this emitter terminal. The output of this it is the Ix value, that is Ix current value, and this is connected to this one base terminal. The emitter terminal it is connected with 6 kilo ohms and collector terminal is connected with 1 kilo ohms and with a supply voltage of 15 volts, and beta factor is given as 100, and we need to calculate these two parameters, that is Ix and Vy. From these circuits, the voltage at the non-inverting input is equal to the voltage at the inverting output. It will be equal to emitter voltage equal to 6 volts. So, emitter current, that is IE is equal to VE divided by RE. VE as given as 6 volts divided by 6K. 6K is given here, that is the resistance value for RE, that is for emitter terminal 6K. It will be equal to 1 milliamps. So, Ix is equal to IB. It will be equal to IE divided by beta plus 1. IE value we find out here, that is 1 milliamps divided by beta plus 1. Beta value is 100 plus 1. It will be 101. It will be equal to 9.9 microamps. So, Vy, we need to calculate the one more parameter, that is Vy is equal to collector voltage. It will be equal to 15 minus 1 into 1 into 100 divided by 101. By simplifying this, we will get it as nearly value 40 volts. So, option A is the correct one. That is Ix value is 9.9 microamps and Vy value is 40 volts. Thank you.